Okay, just to start this off, I see a half-naked man with his ass hanging out, probably jerking off to Misha's video, because all I hear is Misha's video in the background.
Most of the time when these people be talking, I don't even hear them. They talk and they talk, but I do not hear shit when I'm near them. I swear to God that I came.
Hey, what's up guys, Nebula here, and I haven't made a video in so fucking long. I'm sorry. But I'm gonna try and get back on that schedule of uploading, like, at least 3 times a week, I promise. But today I found a really retarded, gay-ass motherfucking Misha video. He uploaded it, like, 2 weeks ago, I think, but I guess it's fine. So, let's get right into it. Okay, just to start this off, I see a half-naked man with his ass hanging out, probably jerking off to Misha's video, because all I hear is Misha's video in the background.
What a fucking loser.
Wow, look at this fucking loser.
Okay, so this guy's like, what a fucking loser. When this motherfucker has Yu-Gi-Oh cards, and he's scratching them against his nipples, he's like, oh yeah, Charizard, just fucking scratch my tit, please. I would really enjoy it.
Only idiot loser babies watch his channel.
Only 8-year-old babies watch his channel. Look, you're fucking watching his channel, you bitch. And you're freaking jiggling your tits with your Yu-Gi-Oh cards, okay?
I'm gonna leave a comment for this guy and let him know how much a loser he is.
I have a joke for you.
I'm sick of all these fucking Misha haters. I'm Misha's #1 fan.
Oh, great job, Misha. How does it feel to have your biggest fan be a half-naked grown man standing with this fucking tattoo saying Misha on it? Okay, no, no, it doesn't work.
And I'm gonna do something about it.
Hold on, did anybody else see that? I need to replay this. Hold on. You guys, take a close look.
The new legend, the next Justin Bieber. I will get all the girls. Deal with it, bro. You tried to bully me, but now I make more money than your mother. Who's the boss now?
How bad do you want it?
Want it bad?
Bad enough?
Bad, real bad.
Look at those bitch haters.
To kill all the Misha
How
haters.
bad do you want it?
Bad.
How bad?
Misha
I
bad.
am the best, yo. I am the best YouTuber. I am the best, yo. Better than Casperly. Shane Dawson will be replaced. Retaliate is disgusting.
How does it feel, guys, to see another grown man's ass cheeks? Okay, full crack, full crack. This isn't even appropriate, man. No full crack on your videos.
It's disgusting. Angels like it's just a clown. I am the best YouTuber. I am the best, yo. I am the best YouTuber. I am the
Misha!
Wanna get back at this Misha haters?
Let's do this, boss.
I know one.
Let's do it.
Set him up.
We'll get him.
Well, there you go. 2 grown men fighting half naked right there. This is insane. Just, oh yeah, I'm gonna hold a bat up to your neck while you're half fucking naked. Okay, give me a break. You should not be fighting half naked. Last time I checked.
Looks like I found me a Misha hater.
Getting all the money and getting all the hoes. I'm the boss. Misha! I'm getting all the money and getting all the hoes.
Is it done? Good job.
I'm sorry, but he looks like that one rat from that one movie that's called like Ratatouille or something like that. I don't even know.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no. Look at the top of his head. Look at his lips.
And that's it. That's the end of the video right there. Just him smiling at the camera. Well, yeah, anyway, like I said, I'll be back to normal uploading, and I know this video is probably trash, but it's a video, and yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's